This is El Loco Fresh out on by the pool deck on deck 15. Tacos, burritos, quesadillas. Alright, oh, it's on the ship. Hi, how are you? Alright, we got beef burritos, chicken burritos, chicken quesadilla, and cheese quesadilla. Oh, and chips. Sorry. We got a toppings bar. We got a little, oh wow. We got a little El Loco snack. So our balcony is kind of below the Symphony of the Seas sign, close to the seas. About 2 balconies below that, I believe. Sailing past Nassau. These are the rocket launchers. Building where they assembled the rockets, way in the distance there. That's where they used to get the space shuttle ready to launch and stuff back in the day. So this is a message and a thing about a launch. Oh, it's Carnival Mardi Gras. Down here. It's like a casino ship. Now we're going by the Wonder of the Seas. This is the one we were on the maiden voyage a couple years ago. Waterfront bar in the road. For a helipad. This is Port Canaveral. Another ship. Busy port, it's Port Canaveral. A lot of big mega ships. And I see seashore. Okay, we're getting our first free drink of the day. Miami Vice and Strawberry Daiquiri. A lot of people in the sports pool today. And the kid area over there. Just relaxing here, having our drink at the mast bar up on the top deck. These are the musical stairs. Lining up and they play music. It's funny. Laser tag in the Studio B right now.
The Intergalactic Federation recognizes your claim. Permission to settle planet T, right.
Okay, we're gonna get a hot dog at the Boardwalk Dog House on the boardwalk. We got our hot dogs. I got a smoked hot dog with potato salad. Joe got a bratwurst. I already ate his potato salad.